Hi there guys, it's Joel here from Trendsignal, currently talking to you from our Cranfield Innovation Centre office up at the university here in Cranfield. We're looking at a short trade today on the UK oil. So we're looking for a sell trade, and our system has identified with this sniper circle here that the market price is likely to be going downwards. Now, as members of our Trendsignal system know, when we look at our trades, especially with commodities or indices, we need to have a stop of more than 40 pips. So you can see our initial aggressive stop loss here is set to 18.3. So what we're going to do when placing this trade last night, you would have moved the stop just a little bit further out. So that's a bit high. It's 53 pips there. We're going to bring it down to around about 40 pips flat. So there we go, 39.9. I'm going to leave it there just so we're as close as we can be. And on a small £3,000 account, you'd be doing about £1.50 per pip. Obviously, if you're going to be trading with something like a £5,000 account, that will move that stop loss out, that price per pip a little bit more. You can see here at 40 pips, it would go to around about £2.50. Whatever it is, we risk 2% per trade. So the system is working out for us how many pips our stop loss is going to be, and therefore how much each of our pips should be worth. Initially, when taking this trade, we would have set this on the market last night with a 110 pip target to a 40 pip stop loss. You'd have been doing £2.50 per pip on a £5,000 account. However, we had a note released this morning from our head trader here, Stuart, talking about the D1 Sniper UK Oil Short update. And it says here, with the D1S, D1 Standard UK Oil Short, currently showing a good profit, will extend our limit down to the 62 level, just above the recent pivot, but very importantly, manage this trade in case of an earlier manual exit. Remember, we can also manage our risk by reducing stops and partial trade closures. So this was put out this morning. So what does that mean for this trade? Well, the current trade would be just about to hit its target. So we're going to, instead of that hitting its initial target, we would be looking to move that down to the 62 level. And so when on your trading platform you'd be managing this trade, you'd be moving your target level down to the 62, which means that we're actually going for a 384 pip target from a 40 pip stop loss. That means that we're looking at about a 9.5 to 1 risk reward ratio on here. If you're risking 2% of your account on that trade, we'd be looking to make about 19% profit on this. And crucially, it's just above the recent turning points, which are down here. So we should hit that quite nicely. We're also going to manually monitor this trade. So if we find that it starts to lose a bit of momentum, maybe around the 63, 64 level, you might end up closing it. Likewise, some of our traders that are a little bit more risk averse, as this trade moves along over the next few days, they'll just bring their stop loss down, locking in some of those profits. So there's a couple of different ways to manage this, but crucially, we're seeing a lot of profit coming off this. And as you can see, it's currently live. Current market price is 65.02, and that's going to bounce around. So that's the trade of the day for today. UK oil short sell. All of the market factors are telling us that it's going to be going downwards. You can see here we've got a positive chart pattern, monthly trend, weekly trend, and the daily trend, which is this arrow line, are all showing downwards movement on this market. So we set that larger target level for us to go and hit, and hopefully get a nice 20% off our account over the next few days. Thank you very much. And if you want to see how we take trades like this, if you want to understand how we identify the turning points and good areas to be getting in on the market, come and have a watch of one of our webinars. The next one that we have on the sniper trading strategy is tomorrow evening, Tuesday at 7 p.m. A link should be in the description, and hopefully we'll see you in there. Bye-bye for now.
Register for our free trading webinar and discover the strategies that turn you into a confident trader. Prefer a more hands-on approach? Schedule a one-to-one walkthrough with a senior trader. See our software in action and get those questions answered, and take control of your trading journey.